Is there a way to clean my AirPods to fix the muffled sound issue?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem many AirPods users experience, muffled sound. This issue can often be fixed by a simple, proper cleaning. So, if your AirPods aren't sounding as crisp as they used to, don't worry, we've got you covered.
Why are my AirPods sounding muffled?
The most common cause of muffled sound in AirPods is dirt and wax accumulation. Your AirPods are exposed to a lot of dirt and earwax, especially if you use them frequently or share them with others. Over time, this can lead to a buildup in the speakers, which can cause the sound to become muffled or distorted.
What will I need to clean my AirPods?
To effectively clean your AirPods, you'll need the following items: a soft, lint-free cloth, cotton swabs, isopropyl alcohol, 70%, or an electronics safe cleaner, toothpicks or a similar soft and pointy object, optional, for stubborn debris.
How can I clean my AirPods?
Follow these steps to clean your AirPods and possibly fix the muffled sound. Step 1. Disconnect your AirPods from your device. Make sure they're not in use while you're cleaning them. Step 2. Using the soft, lint-free cloth, gently wipe the exterior of your AirPods. Step 3. Dip a cotton swab in isopropyl alcohol or an electronics safe cleaner. Gently clean the speaker grills with the dampened cotton swab. Make sure not to let any liquid enter the openings. Step 4. If there's stubborn debris in the grills, you can carefully use a toothpick or similar object to remove it. Be gentle to avoid damaging the speakers. Step 5. Allow your AirPods to dry completely before using them or placing them back in the charging case.
How often should I clean my AirPods?
To prevent muffled sound or other issues, you should clean your AirPods regularly. This could be every week or every couple of weeks, depending on how often you use them. If you notice any change in sound quality, it might be time for a clean. That's it. With this simple cleaning routine, you can help keep your AirPods sounding great. Remember, proper care and maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan and performance of your gadgets. If you're still experiencing sound issues after cleaning, it may be time to seek professional help or consider a replacement. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.